I was a senior lecturer and industry relations coordinator from 2008 to 2018. When they created Industry Relations Coordination Office, Industry Relations Office, Joe Horland, who had become the department head, asked if I'd be interested in applying. So I applied and was successful in getting selected. Very, very blessed. My history is I'm from Wichita Falls area. I went to the Naval Academy in '74, graduated, went into the Navy for 21 years, 3 months as a Civil Engineer Corps officer, as a CB. Did that for 21 years, 3 months. So I retired and went to work in Houston as a forensic engineer. And so at a meeting, I saw Joe Horland and said, gee, I always wanted to teach at A&M. And so I always wanted to come back. And so he gave me the opportunity to come back in 2008. And it was just a great ride. Industry was such an important part of our program. And every month or so we were doing something to enhance the industry relations area. The other thing I enjoy, not only the interaction with some of the leaders of construction, but also to place students, to put square pegs and square holes around pegs and round holes. And knowing the students, getting a chance to be involved with all the students and actually knowing where their particular interests are and what their talents are and skills are. And so it's great to make those matchups and then to go to career fair now, to see these students now, if with those same companies they interned with, went to work for, now they're in the booth hiring our students. So that's a great part. One of the things I found in success, it's not how high you climb, but how far you travel from where you started. And the thing that really impressed me is I had the opportunity to be on the scholarship review committee for our department. And the thing that really surprised me reading about our students is not everybody comes up the ladder. You think students that come in from A&M are all up the ladder, they come from nice stable homes and two income families, whatever. And you realize, wow, these students don't come all the way up the ladder. Some of them are starting at the bottom of the ladder and how far they travel, and then able to see how far they travel once they get here. I think that's really it. It's just seeing how far these young students travel based on where they start out. And I think that's, to me, the thing that's the most fun and what I like to see when I look at success. Well, my first experience with the career fair was when I was here as adjunct, and we held them in Langford, and we held them on the first, second, and I think even the third floor of Langford, and it was crowded. Extension cords run everywhere. Once they created the Industry Relations Office in 2007, I believe it was the first time they actually held it in the Hilton Hotel. And that was, I wasn't there then, but they said it was better, but still wasn't big enough. And then after that, we found the Expo Center out on Leonard Road. And obviously, when we first started out, we were just in the middle part. We had all kinds of room. And then we kept spreading and spreading and spreading and spreading. So now we pretty much maxed out the building with 185 or so spaces. But see it grow from just being crammed into Langford, where it was just crammed so in, and then have it spread out and be able to do so many other things. And I think the other thing I'm seeing too is just having looked over time and see the students coming back. After 10, 15 years, now you see students are up in the levels, and now there are other people coming back recruiting themselves. I think just keep on keeping on. Just continue to build on the success, what got us here. I think that's key. Just maintain Industry Relations Office, be responsive to our industry partners because they are so critical in everything we do. Internship, field trips, everything, scholarships. Everything that's made this program successful is really based upon our industry partners, and just, again, continue to appreciate and serve them. And I just, we're just going to continue to grow because the demand is out there. And when you have a program like ours that's so responsive and so welcoming of the industry, I think that's somewhat unique, and I think that's one of our strengths.